All right, let's take a look at this travel case for the Vision Pro. It's very interesting. So when I initially saw this online and in those reviews by those reviewers, I pictured it to be a very soft and almost puffy coat light material. Some of it is still true. So the outer shell of it feels like a puff jacket material. It gives it almost feels like that on the outside, but when you actually hold on to it, you can see as I try to press down, it doesn't go too far in. So it is a soft covered case with a hard shell inside. So see, that's how much give it actually has. And inside is a hard case that protects all of the exciting and expensive gear that you have with the Vision Pro. So at the very top of the case, you have a strap so that you can carry it more easily. One of the interesting things that I noticed that, see, the Vision Pro writing is here. When I first try to open it, and there's only one Vision Pro logo on this side, see, on this side, and it's blank on this side. So there's nothing on this side. So when I first got this, I instinctively tried to unzip it clockwise and open it this way like I would have opened a book. But the zip actually goes around here. As you can see, this is where the connection is between the two passes, and you actually open this way. So when you look inside, on this side, you have, of course, keeping the content dry. You have the, oh, this is actually fastened here. This is supposed to be the accessory pouch, so you can put all the charging cables, goodies, maybe polishing cloth in here. And you have this area, see, it's lined almost like the inside of the iPhone cases. Very interesting. And you do have a divot here, and this is what do you do with that? Oh, you can actually adjust this. I think it does make sense because there are different strap and band sizes for the Apple Vision Pro, so you'll be able to find a good spot for it to fit. And this is the slot where your battery, oh, it actually loops around, you see here? Wow, this is pretty cool. All right, so the battery goes in there. You have some paperwork. And in the pamphlet, it actually shows you how you should place the Vision Pro in the case and tells you how to use the case. Oh, this is actually pretty cool, and show you how to position your battery and wrap the cable. Wow, this is neat. Oh, this is actually very soft. You put your battery cable through here. You put your battery in here. There's a nice indentation, and the cable through here for better cable management. This is actually very cool. The overall build quality is really good. It actually is more sturdier than I expected, actually. And I do feel comfortable putting the Vision Pro in here to protect it. All right. Ta-da! This still gets me opening like this. I guess it does make sense to have the main headset on this side and this being the part you open. I still don't get why they didn't open that way, but and let me open this. Ta-da! All right. Sorry doing this one-handed. And you got a little pouch for your, yep, your charger and cable and your polishing cloth. Wow. All right. Okay. This is it. Excited to go on a trip with the Apple Vision Pro. I'm really looking forward to try it out in an airplane. I really do like this case, but this being so white, I'm a little concerned about how good it will be keeping clean. I'll try my best. Yeah, I guess we shall see. There's no additional box or anything or bag to put this in, and this is it. And they just display this on the shelves in the store. So I thought there would have been a box or a bag for this, but yeah, this is just how it comes. I guess it is a case meant to be the external layer of the device. So yep, just FYI on that. Ooh, all right, Apple Vision Pro. More content to come. Thanks for watching.